of all, read the question in a figure. So all the string are massless and friction is absent everywhere. Okay, choose the correct option. That is the diagram like that one. Here 1 kg, here 2 kg, here 2 kg, here 1 kg. Okay, and tension develop in there are three string T. This is so the T1 here T2 here T2 also because of this one is a same string, that's why, and here T3. Okay, so first of all, if you see very carefully here, make the free body diagram of that block. Here mg 1g downward, tension T1 generate upward, here also T1, here T2. Okay, and mg also 2g downward. Now free body diagram of 2g block, 2g downward. Okay, T3 generate like that one, T3 here also, and if you make the free body diagram of that block, cell like that one, mg, and here T2. Clear or not? So first of all, make free body diagram of each block. Okay, so according to this block 1 kg, according to 1 kg, suppose that that block name is A, and that is name B, and that is C, and that is D. So you can say that that block A, that block B, that block C, and that block D. Okay, now one by one, first of all, make block 1 kg, that is block A, that is 1 kg block. What about mass of that block is 1 kg. Okay, and tension generate T2 upward direction, here T3 downward, and weight 1g. Okay, now what about B block? T3 generate upward direction, here 2g downward. Clear or not? Simply. And now if you focus on block C, that is T2 upward direction. Okay, and here 2g downward, and here T1 downward, and here T1 upward, and here 1g downward. Okay, now if you see very carefully, that is 3 kg, here also 3 kg. Okay, it means in that whole block, whole system in equilibrium. So net force on each block in horizontal, vertical direction and horizontal direction is 0. So simply you can say right now here T3 this will equal to, what about T3? T3 this equal to G, 2G this will equal to, if you G this equal to 10 for simplicity, send 2 into 10, that is 20 Newton. So T3 is T2. Okay. Now look here T2, T2 this will equal to T3 plus 1G, and T3 is 20 and 1G means 1 into 10. So 30 Newton. That is 30 Newton. So T2 is 30 Newton. Now next one, what about T1 from this block? T1 is written as 1 into G, so 10 Newton. Now clear? So T2, what about T2 from this block? T1 plus 2G, 10 plus 2 into, so 30. Clear or not? So T2 is 30 Newton and T1 is 10 Newton and T3 is, so you got 10, T1 is 10 Newton and T2 is 30 Newton and T3 is 20 Newton. Okay, clear or not? So you can say that T3 is greater than, sorry, T2 is greater than, T3 is greater than T1. It means T2 is greater than T3 and T2 is also greater than T1. Clear or not? So which option is correct option? If you make, if you see very carefully, T3, sorry, now here T2 is greater than T3. T2 is greater than T3, right? D is also correct. T2 is greater than T1, also right. T2 is greater than T1 and T3 is also greater than T1. So only A option is incorrect. Otherwise, these three B, C, D, A, B, C, uh, D are correct option. Clear or not? Oh, clear or not? T3, T3 also greater than T1. Okay. So option B. So option B, C, and D are correct. Okay. Clear or not? Are correct. That is answer. Okay. If any doubt, then if you any doubt face, then tell me. I will again explain. Okay. Make make you very carefully.